Hello students, this particular video consists of total 10 MCQs which are based on lesson number 1, that is basics of information technology for standard 11th for the stream arts, commerce and science. So let's start with the first example or the first question, that is example of non-numeric data is. Options are employee address, examination score, bank balance and all of these. Now in this particular question, the options like examination score is totally in the form of digits. Okay, you get your score in the form of numbers. Then next is bank balance, which also has an information in the form of numbers. You can understand how much account balance you have in the form of numbers. Next is employee address. Now the address, it consists of alphabets as well as numbers. Because of that, you cannot say it is a totally number, it is in a total number form. Hence the right example of non-numeric data is employee address, which contains large amount of alphabets more than numbers. Next question is first page of website is termed as. Options are home page, index, JavaScript and bookmark. So the right option is home page. Whenever you click on any of the website and the very first thing which you observe or whatever is displayed, whenever you click on any website, that displayed page is called as a web page or an home page. I mean a home page. Next question, dash is the science that attempts to produce machines that display the same type of intelligence that human does. So the options are nanoscience, nanotechnology, stimulation and artificial intelligence. So the right answer is artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence itself is a technique of giving the machines the intelligence which is same like a human. Okay, how a human can sense, how a human can feel, all those things, or the intelligence of the six senses of the human can be applied to the machine, is practiced under artificial intelligence. Next question, the most common binary code which is used in today's 8-bit ASCII code, what do the letter ASCII stands for? So the what is the full form of ASCII is the question. So the options are American Standard Code for International Interchange, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, American Standard Code for Intelligence Interchange, and American Scientific Code for Information Interchangeable. So the right answer is, the full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Next question, which of the following best describes a computer based information system? Options are a system in which a computer is used to turn a data into information, B is inputting data, C is processing data, and D is performing a complex mathematical calculation. So the right answer is computer based information system is a system in which a computer always takes the input as a data from the user and processes the data with the help of CPU and then converts that data into an information and releases that information by an output device. So this is how the computer system works. So the next question is, which of the following isn't used in the storage phase of computer based information system? So the options are magnetic keyboard, diskjet, hard disk. Now magnetic disk, diskjet and hard disk, all of these are the storage devices in which you can store the information, you can store the data, whereas keyboard is not an storage device, it is a input device through which you can send or an user can enter his input for the further processing. Next question. Smallest number that can be stored as a positive integer is. Options are 0, 1, 2, 3. So the right answer is 0 because 0 is considered, it cannot be considered as negative, nor it can be a complete positive. 0 has both the values. So the smallest positive integer is considered as 0. Next question. USB stands for. Options are Universal Serial Bus, Uniform Serial Bus, Unicorn Several Bus, and Uniform Source Bus. So the right answer is Universal Serial Bus. Next question. Internet is a dash network connecting millions of computers. So the options are local, global, regional, and national. So internet is not having any type of limitation. It is not having any type of barrier. It is has a total and a complete global access. Hence it is a global network. Next question. GUI is dash. Options are graphical user interface, geographic user interface, graphical universal interface, and graphical user interactivity. So the right answer is graphical user interface. So this is all about the assignment or the mock test number 3. Thank you for watching.